Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a cookware set that aims to equip your kitchen for almost any culinary adventure, the Tramontina Primaware 15-piece non-stick cookware set with lids and utensils in silver. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that promises durability, ease of use, and a touch of style, then this set might just be what you've been searching for. Let's break down what makes this Tramontina set tick. First off, let's talk about the foundation of this cookware, its construction. Tramontina highlights its sturdy aluminum construction, and this is a crucial aspect. Aluminum is known for its excellent heat conductivity, which means your pans will heat up relatively quickly and evenly. This is important for consistent cooking results, preventing hot spots that can lead to unevenly cooked food. The enhanced durability claim suggests that this aluminum is built to last, to withstand the rigors of daily use, and we'll be looking at how that holds up over time. Now, the star of the show for many home cooks is, of course, the non-stick interior. Tramontina boasts its proprietary Starflon Max non-stick system. The promise here is healthier cooking, requiring less oil or butter, which is always a welcome benefit. Beyond health, a good non-stick surface means effortless food release. No more scraping stuck on food from your pans. This also translates directly into hassle-free cleaning, and we all know how much of a difference that can make after a long day of cooking. The ease of cleaning is further reinforced by the fact that this set is dishwasher-safe, a significant time saver for busy households. Comfort is key when you're in the kitchen, and Tramontina has focused on the handles. They've designed them to be ergonomically comfortable and, more importantly, to stay cool during stovetop cooking. This is a critical safety and usability feature. A secure and comfortable grip provides better control, reducing the risk of accidents and making it easier to maneuver your pans, even when they're full. The stay cool aspect means you can often move your cookware without immediately reaching for oven mitts, adding a layer of convenience. This isn't just a couple of pots and pans. It's a 15-piece set, designed to be versatile. This comprehensive nature means you'll likely have the right tool for most everyday cooking tasks. Whether you're U00E9ing vegetables, frying eggs, simmering a sauce, or boiling pasta, this set aims to cover all your bases. This makes it a great option for those setting up a new kitchen or looking to upgrade a collection with a single, cohesive purchase. Beyond functionality, Tramontina also considers aesthetics. The set features a sleek and modern design, aiming to add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. While style is subjective, a visually appealing cookware set can certainly make the cooking experience more enjoyable. It's presented in a silver finish, which tends to be a classic and versatile choice that complements most kitchen decors. Let's talk about compatibility. This set is designed to work efficiently on gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops. This is a major plus, as it offers broad compatibility, meaning you likely won't have to worry about whether your new cookware will work with your existing stove. This versatility is a significant advantage for many consumers. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, you get a substantial 15-piece set, offering great value and variety. The aluminum construction promises good heat distribution and durability. The non-stick interior is a major convenience for both cooking and cleaning, with the added benefit of being dishwasher-safe. The Stay Cool handles enhance safety and comfort, and the set is compatible with a wide range of cooktops. The modern design is also a nice bonus. However, as with any cookware, there are potential considerations. While the aluminum construction is good for heat conductivity, it can also mean that the pans are lighter, which some might perceive as less robust compared to heavier cast iron or stainless steel. The long-term durability of any non-stick coating can vary depending on usage and care, and while this set is dishwasher-safe, handwashing can often extend the life of non-stick surfaces. It's important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for use and cleaning to get the most out of the non-stick performance. Also, while compatible with ceramic glass cooktops, it's always worth checking if there are specific heat limitations or guidelines to prevent scratching on delicate surfaces. In conclusion, the Tramontina Primaware 15-piece non-stick cookware set in silver appears to be a well-rounded offering for the everyday cook. It strikes a balance between essential functionality, convenience features like easy cleaning and comfortable handles, and a pleasing modern aesthetic. Its comprehensive nature makes it an attractive option for anyone looking to equip their kitchen with a versatile and user-friendly set of pots and pans. Link in the description.